Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So I have some full coverage nail tips here, and I am using a gel polish brand called Canni or Canni from Amazon. This is a HEMA free gel polish company, and so I've already applied one coat of base coat and cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And so this is a set I bought quite some time ago. It's kind of like a yellow orange, I think that's dark orange on the end, I don't think that's red. And then I have a white gel polish from them from another set that I had. And so I'm just going in, and on the pinky and what will be the thumbnail, I'm trying to apply a thin coat of color. Now I do know with these particular polishes, they are of a thicker viscosity, so you make sure that you put or paint a very thin coat on the nail, because the first time I used them, I had put too thick of a layer and the polish did actually wrinkle. And so the middle nail will be the only nail that will be white. And also on the what will be the ring finger and index finger, I'm trying a 3-color ombre. I don't use all of the colors in the set, only the shades on the darker side. And so this I purchased probably over a year ago some Rainbow Brite decals from a shop on Etsy, and I was like, oh, these polishes will be perfect for the decal that I wanted to use. And so I couldn't really figure out what I wanted to do exactly. I'm over here dropping the polish bottles and all that stuff. So with the 3 oranges, I only show one nail on camera if I'm not mistaken, because I do voiceovers. So I am going to apply all 3 colors to the nail, and I'm going to go in with my 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉 ombre brush and some base coat, and just kind of try my best to blend those colors together. And I thought it was really pretty. In my opinion, I thought it was really, really pretty. Y'all have to let me know what you think. This was my first time trying, if I remember correctly, a 3-color ombre, and you want to do it with colors that are kind of similar so that it makes it look a little bit better. Now I end up doing matte top coat on these nails for a hot second, and when I did the matte top coat, you could really see the brush strokes in the actual polish. So I'm just going in and just going down the whole nail, blending that together. And again, I thought it was really, really pretty. They were nice and vibrant. And so once I get all of the nails cured, I'm going to apply a second thin coat of color to each nail, and then repeating the ombre process on those 2 nails, and then I do a full cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So after I got the nails cured, I did apply matte top coat to the 2 ombre nails, and you can kind of see the brush strokes in there. But once I top coated, it was fine. And so I'm going in with these water slide decals from OTH Custom Nails on Etsy, and I'm going to use first I was going to do Rainbow Brite, and I eventually end up changing the whole nail. Like I did the middle nail over twice, just because I messed it up, and I end up just doing a plain white nail. And instead of using Rainbow Brite, the character herself, I end up using 𝑉 Orange because I thought the orange character went better with this nail set. And so once I get that on the nail, I'm smoothing it out, and then I will encapsulate in base coat and cure for 60 seconds. And so I had these gold chains here. I think I got these from Shein, and I did end up putting the gold chain down the middle of the ombre nails with my McCart rhinestone glue gel that requires curing, and I did a diagonal on that middle nail at the top part of the nail and the bottom part, and I didn't like it. I didn't like it at all. I thought it looked goofy. And then when I went to cut the chain, instead of me using, I'm just flash curing, instead of me using like a cuticle nippers or like some nail scissors, because nail scissors worked well to cut the chain, I used clippers, and I end up clipping the doggone nail. And I should have stopped right there and just grabbed another nail and just polished over, but no, I kept going. So right here is where I end up clipping the side of the nail by accident. Those clippers were just too big, and I was like, oh shoot. And I thought I could glue it back together. That didn't work. So again, I end up redoing that middle finger. And then I went in, and so I did the chain on those two nails, and I thought it was pretty. I thought the gold popped with those shades. And then I end up doing an ombre on that middle finger, and that didn't work well either. And so I'm going to cut that footage out and just show you the end result. It was a no for me. It was a no for me. So here is that nail that I did over. I put the chain around there. Didn't like it. And so with that middle nail, I end up doing a separate nail, plain white, putting 𝑉 Orange on there, the character, and then putting some like gold, just flat back studs on the nail. And so these were the two nails that I did that were a bummer, and I thought the middle nail was better. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free $99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.